See, they know how to come out on their own. They let you know when they want to come out. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on out. You want to come out and get on the bed for a while? Hang out with me and watch TV. Come on. Little boy. Come on down. Now you see, these aren't dumb animals. They're actually very intelligent. Chewy knows if he gets in this tote, he gets to come out and hang out with me and watch TV. And in the case of spring and summer, he goes outdoors. Go back, Lily. Come on, Grump. Grump, sorry, wrong snake, Chewy. Yeah, this is my 9-year-old coastal carpet, Chewy. He's huge. And he's very intelligent, very smart. He knows my routines. And I have an amazing relate. What do you got on your chin? Cat hair. What got cat hair on your chin? Let me have it. Okay. Sorry. Keep going. Don't have much left. Come on. That's my boy. Good boy. Get your coat. And see, they know how to do this on their own. You don't have to force them out. These are smart animals. They learn. They're fully capable of learning. Come on. Nothing left but your tail there. Come on. Come on. Bring the rest out. Come on. I'll put you on the bed. Almost dropped my camera again. Come on. Let's bring the rest out. Come on. Oh, come on. Just a little bit of your tail left. That's my boy. Time to come out and hang out with me and watch television, huh? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you are, Chewy. You're so smart. Good boy. Get in your tote, and I'll put you up on the bed, and you can come out and hang out and watch TV with me tonight for a couple hours. See, they learn to associate things. He knows his plastic tote means, awesome, I get to come on my enclosure, I get to hang out with my mom on the day bed, or I get to go outdoors in the spring or summer. They associate these things. They are capable of learning these things. I don't know why people make them out to be these stupid animals, because they are far from it. Yeah, you ready to get on the bed with me and hang out? Okay. I gotta put my camera down to pick you up. You're gonna come out and run the edge of this, so I have to hold it up so you don't flip it over. You really gotta do this. He loves to test fate. He does this all the time. Let's see if you can flip it over. Huh?